Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to read 5th lesson of your OME book 2. Unit 5, The Mullah's Son. This is a story about Mullah Do Pyaza and his son. Mullah Do Pyaza worked in Akbar's court. First of all, we shall read words to know. Behave, to act in an acceptable way, being polite and good-tempered. Court, the ministers, officers and officials who attend a king. Decided, made up one's mind. Directions, lines, points in different places. Famous, known by many people. Shocked, upset, surprised. Speechless, not able to speak. Silent, troubles, worries, problems. Over 400 years ago, there lived a king called Akbar. He was such a great king that he was called an emperor. Akbar lived in a huge palace in Delhi. At Akbar's court, there were many famous people. There were artists and musicians, dancers and poets, and clever scientists and writers too. There was also a very funny man there called Mullah Do Pyaza. The mullah made the emperor laugh. Who made the emperor laugh? The mullah made the emperor laugh. When the emperor was sad, he called for the mullah. Where is my friend Do Pyaza? Bring him to me now. The servants in the court went off in all directions. Soon Mullah Do Pyaza was brought before the emperor, and very soon the emperor forgot all his troubles. He rolled about with laughter. Mullah Do Pyaza really was a very funny man. Nothing surprised him and nothing shocked him. He always had something to say. He had a quick answer for any question. Who had a quick answer for any question? Mullah Do Pyaza had a quick answer for any question. One morning, Mullah said goodbye to his wife and son and went off to the court as usual. His son Rafiq, who was 6 years old, began to behave very badly. How old was Rafiq? Rafiq was 6 years old. His mother, the mullah's wife, was very angry with him. "You bad boy," she shouted and chased him out of the kitchen. The frightened little boy ran to his room and hid under the bed. His mother decided to leave him there. Rafiq stayed under the bed all day. Rafiq behaved very badly today, the mullah's wife said when the mullah returned in the evening. "I chased him and he is hiding under his bed. I'm worried about him now, but he won't listen to me. You go to him, talk to him sweetly and ask him to come and have his dinner." Mullah Do Pyaza went to Rafiq's room immediately. He peeped under the bed. Yes, there he was, resting peacefully against the wall. The mullah did not want to frighten Rafiq. He lay on the floor and put his head right under the bed. The little boy smiled brightly. "Hello, father," he said. "Have you been punished too?" "Never." "Mind, there's plenty of room under here for both of us. Crawl right in and make yourself comfortable." For the first time in his life, Mullah do Pyazza found himself speechless. He crawled under the bed and joined his son. Why was the Mullah speechless? The Mullah was speechless because his son gave him a surprised answer. Students, now please take out your summer work pack and open words for dictation. Unit number 5, The Mullah's Son. Today we are going to learn pronunciation of these words. First word is emperor. Next, court, artists, musicians, dances, scientists, brought, troubles, forget, laughter, really, surprised, shocked, always, as usual, began, kitchen, chased, decided, worried, want, peeped, peacefully, against, smiled, brightly, punished, plenty, comfortable, crawl, speechless. Here are sentences given in your summer pack. You can also make sentences of your own choice. Unit number 5, The Mullah's Son. Question: make sentences. Words: sentences. Emperor. Emperor means Badshah. Akbar was a great emperor. Famous, it means mashhoor. Lahore is a famous city. Shout. Shout means chillana ya chीखना. Don't shout at others. Kitchen. Kitchen means bawarchi khana. Our kitchen is clean. Behave. Behave means सलूक करना या पेश आना. They behave politely. Sweetly. Sweetly means प्यार से. She talks sweetly with us. Here is one more question from your summer pack. Unit 5, The Mullah's Son. Question: answer each question. Number 1, in which city was Akbar's court? Answer: Akbar's court was in Delhi. Number 2, how was Rafiq punished? Answer: he was asked to stay in his room. Now please complete your summer work pack. Allah Hafiz.